Do you want to try new Hermes Agent locally with local models for free? Then watch this tutorial because I'm going to show you how you can set up Hermes Agent locally on your computer with Ollama. And if you're ready, then let's get started. In order to set up Hermes Agent locally, you need to use just a couple of commands. First, make sure you update Ollama to the latest version. In order to do that, you can use this command, Ollama ffs.ll. So just copy it. I also leave it under the description for this video. I already have the latest version, so I won't run this command. The next command that you have to run is Ollama launch Hermes. So this command will launch Hermes with Ollama. If Hermes is not installed on your computer yet, it will download Hermes first and then launch it. So basically, in this instance, if I run Ollama launch Hermes, all what I need to do next, select the model that I want to use. Since my computer is not so powerful, I usually use cloud models. But if your computer is powerful enough, you can use, for example, Qwen or Gemma because these models will run locally on your machine. I already downloaded Qwen 3.5 model, so we can try Hermes with this model. Don't expect miracle on my machine. It's pretty slow and model is not so perfect, so it might don't do the task that we want. But just for show you for everything works locally, I will launch Hermes with this model. So let's try to ask it some question. Find the biggest file on this. So I asked Hermes to give me a suggestion how to find the biggest file on this machine. So let's see if it's actually understand. The task probably it could take some times, like I said, because my computer is not that powerful. But as you could see, everything is working. So now Hermes is running with Qwen 3.5 model. This is my local environments. I don't need to have access to the internet. So everything is happening locally. So as you can see, it's giving me some suggestion. You also can ask Hermes to do something on your behalf on your computer. It might do it, depend on the model that you pick. Not every model capable to do something on your machine. So if you want to utilize the full power of Hermes, so I recommend you to look at these models. You can try one of these model, Kimi K2, JLM 5.1. It's a cloud model, or local model like Gemma 4 or Qwen 3.6. But as you can see, you will need to have at least 24 gigabyte of VRAM. Okay, seems everything is working. Let's try to change the model and ask it to do something. I don't want to run it with this model because it will be super slow. So in order to change the model, use the slash command model. Then from your list, you can select, for example, if you have ChatGPT account, you can select GPT models. If you have Anthropic, you can use Anthropic models, or you can use free models from Ollama. I already have the account in ollama.com website, so I can use cloud models. For example, I'm going to try this GPT OS 120 billion parameter, and let's ask it create a read.md file. As you can see, it's actually, when I choose the model, it swap it back to Qwen 3. Let me restart the Hermes. In this instance, uh, I'm doing it this way. So I restart with the model GPT OS 120 billion parameters, and I'll ask it to do the same task. Create a read with the. So as you can see right now, I'm not running it locally anymore. I'm using cloud model. And as you can see, Hermes did the job. This is the README file. We can look at it. Here we go. Seems everything is working. So easy and simple. If you want to learn more about Hermes, if you want to know how to use it in different use cases, and if you want to know the difference between Hermes Agent and OpenClaw, please let me know in the comments below, and I will try to create video for you. And that's it. As you can see, it's super easy and super simple. Give it a shot, play with different models and see what works for you. And if you want to have more tutorials about Hermes, please let me know in the comments below and I'll make one. Thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in my next videos. Bye.